Hi, thanks for checking out Jobs University's Marketing Fundamentals, a solid foundation for modern marketing. This course is divided into 8 knowledge units, which cover the basics of marketing. The first is Marketing Defined, what marketing is and what it means to be a marketer. Next is marketing's role, why marketing is important and where marketing fits into organizations. The third, branding, what branding is, why it's important, and examples of great brands. Then we'll talk about brand architecture, how to define a brand's core elements. We'll talk about style guides, which is a simple yet highly effective tool for brand consistency, market research, understanding how market research works and how it leads to better marketing decisions. Then we'll talk about buyer personas, how to use buyer personas to build effective marketing campaigns. And finally, we'll cover customer journeys, how prospective customers move from awareness to purchase. Thanks. I hope you'll check out Marketing Fundamentals with us.